I thought of doing this video to unbox my second order for this year, and this is from a different seller, John Norma. If you are trying to buy succulents online, I think this will be helpful to see the quality of the plants. And once I read all this, I got a good idea how carefully they do the job. But I only opened this one and I thought I should start doing a video to show you guys too. And it comes with the list of things. These are the succulents that I bought. This is number 2, and this is Hot-Lidden Woody Eye, and this is the plant. They have put the number here, and also they have sent a message with this box asking if once the plants are bigger, if I don't know the name, still I can ask them which plant is this. So that's nice. The next one is number 7. This one is the cocoon plant. I bought one from Succulents Australia too, and this is a good quality plant too. And this was in the box for 2 days because I was busy working, and today is the only day that I have a bit of time to do my succulents. And this is Sinesio Hawoti, or the cocoon plant. It's a beautiful plant too, and it seems nice and healthy with 3 or 4 baby plants. So I'm happy with that. This is how it is packed, and this one I ordered few plant pots through them too. This is very cheap. It was only $5.60, and there are 20 plant pots. And then let's open this one. It's number 4. Number 4 is Adromicus Hariophyllaceus. So let's open it and see. So I'm losing few leaves, but the plant is a really nice and healthy plant. I can leaf propagate these ones, and I'm going to repot this one. It's a beautiful plant, isn't it? And this one is definitely number 6. Yes, this is Portulaca Oleracea variegata, full variegated plant. The plant size is actually really good. I think these videos will help you to decide whether to buy it from them or not, because to me these plants are really good for the price. And this is again Echeveria Bini. I already got one plant from Succulents Australia before, and this Bini has few baby pups too, so it is a nice decent sized plant. And the next one is number 5, Echeveria Cute Bean. Some called it Cutie Bean, some called it Cute Bean. So it's a beautiful plant, look at it. And it's a nice size, healthy plant too. And this is Hot-Lidden Bear Spore Yellow, the variegated bear spore plant. And their price is actually very reasonable, and the way they have sent is nice, and the plants are looking healthy. And I suggest, if you are thinking of buying plants, this will be a helpful one too. Next one is number 8, nicely packed. This is called Graptoveria Margaret Rose. It's a nice, beautiful, pinkish, chunky plant. And I'm going to leave it there because I bought few plants only, and they have given me a gift too. So the gift is this. Let's see what's in it. So they have said that their daughter is the one who wraps up these gifts for us. Oh, there are nice, beautiful propagated leaves for me. Thank you, Norma and John. I really like your plants. To my experience of buying online plants, this is a good buy. The plants are healthy, and you get a little gifts too. I really appreciate that. And everything nicely packed. They are not very stressed. So I'm going to leave it to rest another day and then I repot them. And I hope you got a clear idea about unboxing this and about this cellar too. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'll see you in another video with some more plants. See you next time. Bye for now.